Senator Gatchalian will run for Vice President if Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte picks him as her running mate in the 2022 elections. Gatchalian revealed his plan in an interview on ANC's Head Start. The lawmaker said he talked to Mayor Sara about it when she invited him to join the senatorial lineup of her Hukbong ng Pagbabago Regional Party. If Gatchalian becomes a VP candidate, he will be running against his fellow Nationalist People's Coalition Party mate, Senate President Tito Soto. Soto is running as Senator Ping Lacson's vice president.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.